Is your Spectrum cable box stuck at 95% during an update? This common issue occurs when the firmware download halts, preventing your box from completing the update and restarting. This can happen due to software glitches, network interruptions, or even hardware limitations, especially in older models. Spectrum has acknowledged this widespread firmware update bug, but don't worry, there are steps you can take to resolve it. This issue appears to be declining with newer models and cloud-based updates. However, it's trending upward in legacy systems due to end-of-life support. First, power cycle the box by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Check your HDMI and cable connections to ensure they're secure. Try resetting the box via the Settings menu. Settings General, Restart. Use the Spectrum app for remote diagnostics. If these steps fail, contact support for a replacement box or to trigger a remote reboot. Some users have success with a hard reset by holding the reset button for 15 seconds. Also, proactively update via the Spectrum app to avoid freezes.